Hello everybody, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can use Connext DDS Secure to secure your data, and particularly I will focus on the authentication and encryption, although I will give you a general view. We are moving to a more and more globalized world where we have all kinds of different devices connected, and all that data is sensitive, right? What RTI focus is in the part of securing the data. A small example, we have a car and we have multiple systems, right? We have some sensing for getting some information about different inputs like the camera, LiDAR, radar, some localization. We have some planning for deciding the route that we have to make. So that data should be authenticated, meaning that I don't want to allow anybody that is not authorized to change the data that we are putting into the system. And then imagine that maybe we have some system when we are doing the data fusion and then making decision, maybe we have some proprietary protocol, some trade secrets from our company. And what I want to protect at this point is not only that the data is not modified. I don't want an attacker to plug into the car and maybe figure out what is our protocol, our vendor, proprietary secret information that we don't want to be exposed. So for that, you will want to protect that kind of information using encryption, right? So how this interacts with DDS. So what are the security considerations with DDS? What is DDS trying to protect?